Okay, we're here just to talk about eoTouch and the changes that have come through since the Q2 release, which is basically eoTouch version 13.7.3. Alright, quickly talk about 11 key points. Add and removing items in the walkaround themselves instead of using the edit list and locations. Some totals that we update, or some item descriptions that we update based on free good promos. If you have the back order plugin, quantities show up on the items. Some promo item description color changes based on qualified promos. The history panel now enabled to add items to your order based on history. How we make return reasons mandatory now when picking up product. The ability to void orders, POS being available now on eoTouch, goals for customer specifics, saving a tap survey without making changes, and done for day availability. So the first one is the walkaround. Basically now, in the bottom right corner of in the walkaround itself, not the edit list locations, but actually doing the walkaround, so doing your counts, doing your order. Bottom right hand corner you have two buttons, a setup and an order. So now if you hit the setup, you'll change from your count and order or restock columns to now par and price. So if you guys do retail prices, you can also enter that. You can update your pars. As you click on the items, you'll get the drop and add feature. Click on drop, of course, drops the item that you're on. Click on add. As you see in the second screenshot, whatever item that you select will be added right above the one that you currently are selected on. Running totals. If you do have buy one, get one, or buy three, get one, free goods promos, when you're actually inside, so you hit the little I to go into the item and then look at the promo, as you enter quantities, so on the bottom left hand screenshot, you see I entered a quantity of 2. Well, this is a buy 3 get 1 free promo, so you see that the little information actually on the product itself updates and tells me, hey, you can buy one more to get your free item. Once you have fulfilled your minimum quantity, you see that the text turns green, letting you know that you're good to go. Backorder quantity is pretty simple. If you have the plugin and you have items on backorder for that customer, it puts it into the item description, so that way you know it and you don't keep on back ordering and ordering more stuff, not knowing if it was, how many are on back ordered, if it was ever fulfilled, whatever. Qualified promos. Basically right now, if you go into the promo itself, you will see that the item description is red because this person or this customer is not qualified. But once you qualify it, so you go in there, answer the yes question, the items turn green, and then when you go into the sales and history, sales and charges, office list, you go into any one of those places to put orders in, the items are green in there too, letting you know that they're part of the promo. On the history panel, now we actually have it broken up by day for the orders. So you can go in there and click on any day. You can see the items that were delivered for that day. And then in the right hand column, you will see buttons to add it to your order, or if it's already on your order, it will change to tell you to remove it. Now the one stipulation on this is that it does not look at quantity, it only looks at the item itself. So when you do add one, it only adds one. So you'll need to go into your office list, your sales and charges, your walkaround, whatever it is, to actually update the quantity of how many you want to order. Return reasons. Now when you go into pickups and credits, and you hit the plus sign, select your item that you want to pick up. The quantity, the order quantity, is now not visible, and it gives you a description letting you know you need to pick a return reason. You click on the little eye there, go into the next screen, gives you a scroll through to pick the return reason. Once you go back after that, hitting the little arrow, now your order quantity will be visible, and you'll be able to put in if you're picking up 1, 2, or 3, or however many you're going to pick up. Voiding orders, when you get back to the customer, so you're looking at if you're going to do a new order, you want to see the receivables. If you have an order sitting there, put your finger on it, push it over to the left, and the delete button will become visible. Click on that, order is completely gone, so that way you don't have to go through into an order and actually just zero everything out. You can quickly and easily delete the whole order. Point of sale, it's just another menu option on the customer itself. So you can put in a new POS, you can hit the plus sign, add your items, add multiple items to one POS request, add notes. There's also pickups and removals, or placement and removals. Those will actually show up on the main screen where you full sync. You go in there, it'll tell you the customer, and then you can either place a POS item or remove one. Goals. Of course, we've always had the goals on the main screen where you full sync, but it was huge because it listed basically everything for you in one spot. Now we also have a goals on the actual customer record. So when you go in there, instead of doing a new order or edit list locations, there'll be a goal spot there, and this will limit the information down to just that customer. Tap surveys. If you go in there, you don't need to make any changes. There's a button down bottom right hand corner, save as is. That way it will upload to the system that you actually did it, even though there's no changes. Done for the day works the same way as eoTablet. It's going to verify that you don't have any pending orders sitting on your phone. As long as that's true, you're going to hit done for day. It's going to send a signal up to the database, so that way anybody at the office that's monitoring it can see that you're telling them you're done for the day, you're not going to send any more orders today, go ahead and process everything. That's basically it. This version that I was showing you screenshots of is 13.10.31. Includes everything from our 13.7.3 all the way to 13.10.31. So to be able to use the 13.10.31, you need to be on a more recent eoStar backup version. Probably something in our the high 7.2.20s, maybe even to a QA version. Any questions on it, contact your account manager or your team, let them know what you want or what you're looking for, and they'll let you know what version you need.